Subtracting integers. To subtract integers, use integer addition and the additive yep, inverse of the second number.
What did I say? I can't see.
To subtract integers, use integer addition and the additive inverse of the second number.
Wait, why do you have my name on the board?
You will find out.
Is that bad?
You will find out. We're not talking about it now. Hey, for the first problem, 4 minus 6. Right? So if you look at your star, it says add a line and change the sign. I'm also going to add KFC on it. Some of you may remember that from last year. Keep, flip, change. We're in math class. We're not talking about KFC the restaurant. We're talking about KFC is keep, flip, change.
It's not a restaurant.
It is a restaurant. It serves food.
It's a restaurant.
But they also, it's a restaurant.
If it's a restaurant, they would order your food.
You can order food. You don't have to do buffet.
No, they would like.
Hey, so keep the first number. So we're going to keep the 4. We're going to flip the subtraction to plus. And we're going to change the positive 6 to a negative 6. Because there's no sign. When there's no sign, it's positive. Alright? So now, from last week, do I have same or different signs?
You got different.
Different. So what do I do? Subtract.
Negative,
-2.
Wow, that's really beautiful.
As long as you know integer addition, you should be fine at subtraction. Let's go to the one across. -3 minus 2. So keep the -3. No. Keep the -3. Do not change it. Flip the minus to a plus. Change a +2 to a -2. So -3 plus -2, -5.
Because you gotta add it.
Don't forget your negative sign. Joaquin, let's put the scissors down so you don't stab Dallas, please.
Please don't. Is he just sitting over here?
Joaquin.
Yeah. I don't get it.
Hey, -5 minus a -7. Keep your -5. Do not change it.
But make that up.
Flip the minus to a plus. -7 turns to a +7. Okay? Notice how they have this in parentheses? That is just showing that this 7 is negative. They're doing that to separate the signs. Because otherwise you'd have 2 minus signs right next to each other. Okay, so that's the only reason they're parentheses, is to show that negative goes with that 7. Okay, so I've got -5 plus +7. Same or different sign? Different, so I subtract. 7 minus 5?
-2.
2. Positive or negative?
Positive.
+2. Alright?
I got the other one then.
So I've got 6 minus -3. What do I do with the 6?
Keep it.
Keep.
Flip.
Change it to a plus, then +3. So 6 plus 3? +9. Everyone see what we're doing there?
Oh, wait.
If you have questions, raise your hand and ask. This is your time to be asking.
What's it called? So, do you always have to change it? Like,
Whenever there's a subtraction in the middle, you're always going to do this.
but what if, like on the second example, why'd you have to change the 2?
Because you always change the second number to the opposite.
Oh.
Okay?
Why is Caleb sitting on me? Because I hate that.
Hey, let's go down to the first one at the bottom. -6 minus a -5. So on the side here, on the little flap, I'm going to rewrite it on there. So I'm going to say -6.
-6
Your minus is changing to what?
plus
Plus
+5
+5.
equals -1.
Equals what?
-1.
-1. And then I'm going to write that answer underneath as well.
What?
Okay? So that way if you're just looking at it, you can look
I
and
got
see.
the next one.
Okay. Let somebody else. I'm glad you're getting it. So we got to let somebody else have a turn. Alondra? So -3 plus what? Gives you what? Good, -16. So again, I'm going to write it underneath. That way I have it underneath there.
Wait, what was it underneath?
I'm putting the answer underneath and on top. That way you can just look at it and you don't have to look at the work. You can just flip it up if you want and check it. Hey, -6 minus 9. How am I going to rewrite it?
I got it. -6.
Now let's give somebody else a chance. Kylie?
-6 minus -9. Plus.
Good? Very good. So -6 plus -9 gives me what? -15. Thank you. So I have -15. Charles, come here. Mhm. 5 minus 18. I think you grabbed it up here. What was that? Good. Which gives you what? Shakithia? -13. Good. Different sign, so you got to subtract. So 18 minus 5 would give you 13. Your negative is larger, so it would be a -13. -1 minus -11. Todd?
-1 plus 11.
Good. -1 plus 11 gives you what? +10. Very good. And the last one, 32 minus 35. Who thinks they can do it?
Me. I can.
Jaime?
Yeah. Alright. -32.
No.
No, it's -3.
What do you do with the first number?
Oh, just leave it the same.
You leave it the same, so what should it be?
It's 32
Okay,
plus...
can we close the scissors though? Put them down so you don't stab yourself, please. Thank you.
Alright.
So 32.
32 plus -35.
Good.
Boom.
Which gives you what?
Which gives you 3.
Positive or negative?
Negative.
-3. Good. Alright, so the most important thing, keep, flip, change. Keep your first number, flip the minus to a plus, change your second number to the opposite. When you have that done, go to page 2 in your notebook and fill it out. Today is 10/3. Yep, we're into October. Subtracting integers, and you'll have to look at what page you were on. Make sure you go with what page you were on. I went with what page I was on. I said I will tell you later.